Discover how thousands of YouTubers are making a full-time income. Go to beatoolboss.com or click the link in the description. Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, we're going to talk about how you can make $20,000 a month doing nothing, right? Literally just sit here and just be like, and just let the money roll into your account. Well, it ain't that easy, right? Now, I'm talking about a video that I just watched. It's titled How to Make $20,000 a Month Doing Nothing. But obviously that title was sort of clickbaitish, right? It comes from a YouTuber called Casshima. I think that's like Casshima, right? A lot of different videos up. So I saw this video. I'm like, I definitely got to watch this. I want to see what this is about. So basically, the video shows how a YouTube channel is obviously making over $20,000 a month just by posting YouTube videos. Well, I won't say posting, by creating YouTube videos. And that's why the title of this video is misleading, because, you know, it's like, you know, do nothing. You do actually gotta do something. You gotta actually put these videos together. But what the video I really liked about this video is it is real. It is realistic. This is possible, right? Now, granted, this video makes it look super easy to do, but the key is that you have to find the right niche to get in YouTube. You have to find something that is getting a ton of views, right? And that's not a lot of competition. Because in the video, she explains how this website called, I think it's called Academy of Academy of something, I forget. But she shows where it's a psychology channel, and all it is videos where there's basically images of these psychology things, and it's a voiceover. And these videos are getting thousands and thousands of views every month, right? And this channel is getting paid because it's monetized, and they're making a lot of this money from YouTube ads, right? And this video, I don't want to call it misleading, but the problem is a lot of people gonna try to do videos like these and channels like this, and they don't see these numbers. They don't see the thousands of views with these videos that this channel is getting. So is it real? Yes, it's real. But if you really want to take this route, you really need to do your research, and you're really gonna have to experiment. But let me tell you something for sure. People are making money on YouTube, and a lot of people are making money from channels like the one that Casshima talked about in their video. So is it something to pursue? Absolutely, right? But I ain't gonna lie, the video description that Casshima was talking about in the video, it's probably oversaturated now, because I bet you a lot of people who watch this video are like, "Ooh, I'm gonna do that," and you got 1,000 new channels that's based around psychology, so it'll probably be hard to make that kind of money. But if you do your research, do some digging around, I definitely think you can make this happen. I'm making money on YouTube, right? But I ain't making that much money, and that's why I'm going to experiment with, with more, and that's all I do. You just grind and you see what works, and you keep going. But cool little video. It's a little misleading. You know what I'm saying? You will definitely have to put in some effort, but that kind of money is possible to make on YouTube. All right. So I will put a link to the actual video that I've just watched in the description. You can check it out for yourself. Come back, comment, and let me know what you think about this method for making $20,000 a month. Be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. I will see you in the next video. Peace.